friends. Today we will study about the algae. What is algae? Algae is a group of chlorophyll containing thalloid plants which bear unicellular or multicellular sex organs, and the sex organs are not protected in the sterile jacket cells. An undifferentiated plant body is known as thallus. The thalloid plants, there is no differentiation of plant body into true root, stem and leaves. The study of algae is known as phycology. The one who study algae is called phycologist. Phykos is a Greek word for alga. Phycology means study of algae. Phycologist means someone who study about algae. Occurrence of algae. The algae is occur in various types of habitat, mainly aquatic algae. The aquatic habitat may be differentiated into freshwater forms, which is growing in a lotic and lentic, that is running and stagnant water. For example, running waters means streams, rivers, and stagnant water forms means pond, lake. Then marine water forms, the algae which is growing in a marine environment, marine water. Second one is terrestrial algae. The algae which is growing on a soil is known as terrestrial algae. The algae also growing in unusual habitats. Some of these unusual habitats are halophytic algae, the algal plants which is growing in a alkaline water is known as halophytic algae. Then epiphytic algae, the algal plants which is growing on the other aquatic angiospermic plants is known as epiphytic plants. Epizoic algae, the algae which is growing on a aquatic animals is known as epizoic algae. Endozoic algae, the algal plants which is growing inside the aquatic animals is known as endozoic algae. Symbiotic algae, the algae which is growing association with other plants is known as symbiotic algae. For example, the algae growing in the roots of cycas, the algae growing with fungi to form a lichen, the algae growing with a bryophytic plant Anthoceros. These are the examples of symbiotic algae. Then a parasitic algae, the algae which is growing on parasitically to other plants. For example, the algae which is growing on a tea leaves, example is Cephalorus. Thermophytic algae, the algae which is growing in hot water springs is known as thermophilic algae. The fluviatile algae, the algae which is growing in a high speed running water sources is known as fluviatile algae. There are four main divisions of fresh and marine algae in the kingdom Protista: Chlorophyta, green algae; the Rhodophyta, red algae; Phaeophyta, brown algae; Cyanophyta, blue-green algae. Range in size from tiny microscopic life to giant ocean capels over 100 feet long. The thallus of algae is show a wide range. Algae is used for many purposes: fertilizer, food for human and animals, Hawaiian culture practices, extracted products, potash, algin, cargin, agar, etc. Most common algae used for food worldwide is Porphyra, which is commonly known as nuri, Gracilaria, Ogo, Rhodymenia, Dulce, and Chondrus crispus, Irish moss. Here, this slide is showing the mass cultivation of Porphyra, and here its utilization. Nuri better than potato chips. The here the nutrition facts is showing cargin, capel or euchima from the Rhodophyta, which is a marine algae, is growing large scale in Hawaiian. Agar extracted from Rhodophyta, and there is a lot of uses of agars. Thank you.